Hey yo!
Luck and
Oh yeah, this is when Power went crazy, crushed up that devil.
Okay, so this was right
Okay, Makima, the whole gang's
Smash
together.
thing?
talk about doing things like away from pedestrians.
Word. Wait, was she? I mean, I get she was a bit reckless, but
A bit more before
we get
I was
it.
gonna say
That's the
that.
kind of boss she is. I was like, is she gonna
Denji.
be chill or be like...
Denji can't control her.
So Denji's gonna have to control her.
Power was the blood devil, so she's got talent for using blood in battle.
Damn, Makima, chill out. That's my girl Power.
Yeah, last thing she wants to hear.
Name it.
He's lying on him.
Man! Human ordered me to kill this devil. She's waffling.
Damn, yo, bro,
Big time.
dude, Denji, if you don't protect Power,
She's just like, I want to get rid of her.
Man, she thinks she sounds so convincing.
They're acting like siblings.
That is 100% a lie. She just lied.
You look at that camera.
what is this? Hey, look at them zooming in Makima cakes. Hey, yo.
Like brother and sister.
No, I
God,
told you,
I
dude.
like what I'm seeing. I'm alright. Let me chill. Her eyes are scary. Like they look scary.
Then me whole
Man,
eyes, yo.
she seems to be very scared of Makima.
Talking about me.
Power's a little scared of her.
I wonder
though,
what
so that
Makima
might
can do.
mean to me that
Makima's
might
actually
very
kind of
intense.
scary. Why is Power like shook a little bit?
She believes Denji, fam.
Bruh.
Are you gonna bark, Denji?
Look at
She's scared of her.
Yo, we're scared of her.
Kimi has that
Now
power,
I'm
fam.
even more intrigued by Makima, to be
Can you
honest.
stop looking at her boobs? Hold
We
up.
really just see him look
Is
at
it
her boobs?
Makima really scary? Alright, my fault. I tried to play her out a couple episodes ago. I don't even think she was that strong, but if she got someone like Power scared and Power like a devil, blood devil.
That must be nasty.
Blood devil's broken.
What is she doing? I used to do that as a kid in the vending machine, just
Maybe I
get
should
right up
worry
on
about
it.
Copying a feel some
God.
other time. This dude,
Change
bro.
of priority.
This dude is crazy.
Don't kill
Oh
the
my
cat.
Don't eat the
gosh.
cat. I feel like she's gonna eat the cat.
Oh no.
I don't know how she acts.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel like she
Don't
ate
eat
the cat.
Remember, she's like, I don't think she likes cats, right, or
She
something?
ate the cat.
Ain't it? The small things, fam.
No.
You gonna lose this?
Yeah, you're gonna be thirsty
you
for
gonna be
other
hungry.
things, if you know what I mean.
Thank you.
Oh,
Alright, okay.
Aw,
She
she's
likes
petting the
cats.
So
cat.
she dodged the first one. Well, not dodged, but didn't harm.
I only enjoy the company.
Oh,
of
see, she
cows.
likes
Oh,
cats.
Oh,
yeah,
she's a cat like me.
I love
Available
cats.
from that.
I mean, I don't know about hating humans. I'm a human, man. Chill.
Well, I always didn't really like cats, so.
One of the devils took
So a devil
Meowy
took your
away.
pet
Was
Meowy?
able to recover Meowy. I fell into Makima's clutches.
Ah, I
Interesting.
see.
Okay, I'm stuck.
Fam, she's willing to
Oh,
ride.
this
Assist humans.
It's all for
Aw,
Meowy.
get your cat back.
Fam, to show your ting man that he would help.
I mean, he had a pet.
Hey,
What?
Denji.
Bro, you have Pochita.
I wonder
Hey, yo,
if
no
her
way.
cat is that
What did I
big
just
dog
say?
thing we
What
saw.
did I just say?
This is that
trailer.
dog.
Make an
That
agreement.
big weird looking dog thing.
You trying to do this shit for
That cat,
boobs?
that trans-
She trying to get a like a
Say,
friend.
help me with the
Her
cat.
pet.
Yeah, dogs are loyal, man.
If it was a dog, okay.
Font in my chest.
Oh, they're making
Yo, word?
Actually
I
said
ain't
it.
mad at it. Yo, this game is incentive. Yo! No way! This dude is a menace.
That cat.
I was gonna say that
You
they have
should
like a
just, like,
sibling
yo,
thing, but
be
like
ready
not if
Not
you're
even
gonna
to
try
get
and grab
groped in
them.
that.
This is our building. I don't know what they call the building, but this is the main building. Okay. So interesting. So
Like,
Power
check
needs
her
to
out,
be
like,
taken
bro.
out. Like she's gonna be signed out for and shit.
Dangerous and shit.
To be fair.
It's all to get her
Damn,
cat
Power
back.
is really a threat to
Denji, it's
society.
about something else.
She can't handle
Everyone you
herself.
could be teamed up with, you just happen to team up with the biggest liar.
Or reckless, I would say. I feel
And
like
horns as well.
I mean, granted, it makes sense. She has horns, right?
Really?
So you're not participating.
Wait,
in
he's the only one that can fight it.
Has a shield upon seeing me.
Upon seeing me, I see.
He's only
just
saying
why
that them
you
demons.
You don't care about Meowy. You just care
I
about
don't blame
boobs.
him.
You
He
don't
just
care
wants-
nothing about Meowy.
Pochita.
That's
Rest in peace, Pochita. I mean, no rest in peace.
And he's
She was
always-
living
He
inside
knows how
my
it
heart.
feels in
As Makima said.
Yep, he's inside of you.
No, but literally.
Ooh.
technically he's.
Hey, yo, that's kind of hard.
It's a little bit
Whoa.
different.
That's not
Yo, she got
entirely
a,
wrong.
oh my
like
gosh,
popping
she
out of
kind
my
of killed
chest.
our dreams right there, huh?
Stop
And it
looking
was
at me,
facts,
man.
though.
You're
She
making
was
me
still facts, I ain't
uncomfortable.
gonna lie.
Whatever you say.
I feel like
He's
I'll
just trying
deal
to
with
play
it
his
just
cards
like
right. He's trying to play his cards.
Yo, just that.
You know what? This man trying to.
Are you
Be agreeable.
Right, he's trying to get.
Really?
Yeah, I would have said that
They
sooner.
have
Trying to get some, man. Trying to cop a feel.
Okay. Sometimes it'd be like that, you know. You
Man,
meet people
seeing
and you're at
someone on a
different
bus
odds,
with
you
an
don't
axe is a
usually
crazy
hang with
thing to
each other.
see.
Like,
This man just got an axe next to him on a bus.
The American matter.
Military use.
Them devil's not in the military.
Interesting.
Denji.
Interesting.
Which one is which?
Yeah.
A pop, you know.
A pup that I just recently picked up.
And then put
I hate how
them
they
to
talk about
work,
them.
make them be of good
Like,
use.
why are you talking about them
Make
like
sure
that?
not to grow attached, which will
I
happen.
mean-
I like Spy Family.
Look at her face.
And-
Makima has
You're
faces
talking
on
about
her
that
head.
Being like,
What
oh,
the
I
heck?
have a problem, or oh, I'm already
Weird
That's the
bad.
pup.
Like the
Yeah, that's a
eyes and
puppy.
the face
No,
she
I
makes.
feel like
Never
It's
get
like-
attached.
doing
That's
the same work.
crazy.
Does anyone else know what I'm
How's she
what I'm
acting
trying to say,
like?
or am I, is it just me?
Just be very nice, but then.
It's not this. But the art
Denji
is so
cool,
good,
man.
fam.
You ain't see what
Okay,
she
very
saw.
interesting.
don't
Okay,
know
so
what
this is
Denji's
more of the
about.
story we're getting here with these interesting
She's got
older
good
men
feelings for him, you know.
that were giving her orders.
But then again, none of my fucking ever right. All devils are born with
This is
names.
beautiful, man. I love this anime.
Devils get born.
But the more those names are feared, the more powerful the devil is.
Really? Ah, that's kind of cool.
Like Voldemort.
So a coffee devil would
No, it's
probably
delicious.
But like death and despair
a
would
chainsaw
be.
is different. But what about a car devil?
Since people fear getting killed by cars and stuff and car crashes.
Man, so everything is like it depends on the name, and then you can turn into a chainsaw.
So
How
chainsaws are
terrifying is that? Seems pretty interesting to me.
Oh, that's a cool
She's not
concept. I
wrong.
didn't think about
Very
that.
powerful.
So,
Chainsaw
But
hold
you
up.
said
devil,
interesting,
fam.
not realizing she had said interesting, obviously.
Damn, Aki, have faith in us.
That's a real goal, and his
He
goal
doesn't
is
have
what?
motive. He just want to touch boobs. But a good life is a good motive.
He's a bad fit for our operation.
Damn, I can tell that really hit Aki different when
Devils
Denji's
killed
like,
his
hey, yo,
whole
I can be
family.
friends
All
with
that he
them.
wants is just like
What do you
normal
mean,
everyday
be
stuff.
friends with
Then you
devils?
can kind of like
Yeah.
get him to do whatever.
I mean, what's
Because he's like,
friends with
ooh, a
Pussy?
It's like,
sandwich.
oh, I get to
Like,
grab someone's
Devils.
boob.
Devils killed my family.
can-
If someone
you know, you
will
can
go,
be
yo,
friends
fam,
with
I want to be friends with them.
At least from
Okay,
him.
'cause
He
that's-
doesn't
that's the house.
have bad, experience with
Meowy.
devils. He knows some good ones.
You think she's just like pulling one over on him or
I
something?
don't know.
I can't tell anymore.
I hope you guys can become
that why he's
closer. Like, I would like to
Because
see
you need
Denji and Power
But I
be
mean, I
close
guess.
or be friends.
You have to be
actually.
checked
Like, that'd be cool. Like, you know?
You're bound to go chainsaw mode, fam.
She hasn't seen his power yet.
A bunch of chainsaws.
It's true.
Wait, what? That's not a
not
joke.
kidding.
He can turn to a chainsaw. What? Hey, yo.
I hope they have to fight something big though, because I feel like that'd be cool to see how they work together.
I love that he's like, I love.
Are they gonna get in trouble for doing this?
Man, fuck, got the groovy observation, fam. I never heard that
That's
before.
Okay.
kind of.
What's she talking about?
What's going on?
They're in the middle of
What are you
nowhere.
doing?
Supposedly this is where her cat is.
Yo, what are we doing?
What's the point?
Why?
Fool that you are, it seems your instincts are sharp.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Hey, she lured him in.
wait.
You're not gonna
Wait,
make
Don't tell me
my
she's gonna try to feed Denji to her
Oh,
cat.
shit.
What?
Is that what she's gonna try to do?
She's evil, fam.
Is it like an
Oh, I did not
What?
see
I think
this
yeah.
coming.
Meowy alive?
I feel like there is a
What
cat.
the heck?
Actually, I don't know.
Yo, she's creepy.
horror movie vibes. Oh,
What the heck? Was this your old house?
Kept me waiting a long time, blood devil. There, that wasn't dead. I thought you had to run away. So she is giving his body to it, the devil.
no! Why
Take advantage.
Yeah.
Bat! Hey, yo,
not
Bat,
really a
that's
human.
Bat.
Ew.
Rat.
Devil in the
Bat devil?
No, she said bat.
Oh.
No
My
way,
first
you
meal in
feeding us?
ages.
No, a literal bat.
Right.
He's huge.
Chainsaw mode, fam.
Chainsaw.
Oh, that's crazy.
Man, that's like a warm up, like a fucking creep. Look at my arm, man. Your kind gave me.
Huh, so yeah, Power can't be trusted if she's doing shit like this, giving up people of our department up to
Sir, I
monsters to
just
kill.
met you. Oh, stop!
Oh my gosh, yo, he's juicing my boy.
He's licking his blood.
Why he's not gonna like
Oh,
it.
I take the devil inside of
He's
her.
gonna
He's
taste
not
blood.
really human.
Oh wait, no.
I've been reviving all
I've been revived with awful tasting blood.
My fault.
Why did it have to work?
But bats can't go out in the
The
sun.
inside of my mouth.
Oh baby, this ain't no vampires. What are we talking about right now?
Another.
Yo,
Who's that human gonna be?
What is Power trying to get at? Did she use Denji as bait or
Let's chainsaw
something?
this woman to death.
She didn't even take you seriously when you said you could do that.
Hey, friend. Hey, let's drink
damn, now he's gonna be like, I can't trust.
Why
You gonna
he
have
said?
trust
He
issues.
was onto
'cause, like,
something
Power-
there.
There she
Yo, you lied to us? Hey, yo, I'm not with this. Come on. That,
Human foolies, you can't be friends with these fuckers. Fiends or not.
But what is her real?
but he only
plan,
wanted to
though?
touch
Because-
Boots,
still
so
like
I ain't
Power
really
out of
like, you know.
Or like,
Scent of makeup and drugs.
Makeup and drugs.
He despises everything that is like.
This bat looks nasty,
With so
man.
much
An
children.
ugly little thing, man.
Children.
Children is crazy. He needs to stop.
She wants her cat back. Yeah,
Man,
Oh no, she doesn't lie about
Yeah.
me.
that's what she wants. She
What the
wants
fuck?
Power
her
did mention
cat
she
back.
don't care about humans.
Did you trust him too easily?
Because of
Power?
that. Fam, I know that. I'm against animal cruelty and shit.
Are you serious? I hate people like this, yo. Why are you doing this? You made a
That's
promise.
what you get. That's what you
No
get.
freaking way, yo.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a backstory on Power.
Was that
Look
when
at
they met?
her.
Yes.
Oh my god, don't
Was that always her body then?
so blindly though.
She took care of it.
Aww.
Oh, no wonder she has
Meowy.
she's so close to him.
So she was trying to
Feed you an entire cow.
eat the
Oh,
cat.
this is a milk
Okay,
cow.
milk
Like,
cow.
feed you the entirety of the cow.
Yo, but see, like,
Oh, big man, no wonder. I take back what I said. I'm looking
Look at
forward
Power,
to
man.
She ate the
Yeah,
cow.
they're-
That's dope. I like her. I like that.
Then she couldn't do it, innit?
So cute.
When did she start laughing?
So many similarities to
Oh,
got
that.
that
The
cooch
cow.
out in the air. Hey,
This
yo.
is different. It's become strange to hear a voice that isn't screaming.
she killed the farmers and took their house.
Yo, this is going good.
Oh,
This dude was a hater. Why did he come do that?
There he takes the cat. Blood devil. I need blood. If you want to take it. This how it begins.
that's how. That's what
No
happened.
way,
and
he
she
just
ended
ate the
up
cat.
Killed
I mean, you
him.
can't say she's a bad
Yeah,
person
she's not a bad.
because
She,
of that.
yeah. She just wanted to save her cat.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You hear that score?
Kill him now.
Probably Denji's gonna
for
help her
Kill him,
here.
Denji. You said you couldn't pet Pochita anymore, yes? I understand how you feel.
Damn. Aww.
This is an awful feeling.
Oh!
Oh, Denji's
Yo,
gonna
that's so
save her.
sad.
Yo!
He's cheating everyone.
No way. He swallowed power too?
We can't get away with this.
He didn't chew on her. He just like, swallowed her whole.
No way, this dude just goes. Are we in his stomach chilling or something? Like,
The blood of
Oh
children.
my gosh,
you
kill this fucking
talking about
Come on,
gargling
children
children? We
so
need to
bad.
kill.
Because they're pure.
I don't know how you
So
got
their
fucking
blood
shit.
get to him now.
probably tastes better to him.
Gargle a virgin.
Appetizer, then a beefy man from a
Beefy
main course, and a pregnant woman.
Pregnant what? Damn.
Sicko.
Come on, Denji. Come on.
Alright, let's do it.
Martin's back. No way.
That's
Bro, you
hilarious.
drink
No
everyone blood,
way.
but we drink this shit. Now we disgusting.
Come on, chainsaw out.
There we go. Rev it up.
Aww. They'll do that to you. That's like how I feel about our pug.
The devil might have eaten him. But when I got home, he was crying, waiting.
Aww, that's so cute.
Cheetah looks. I would have been so relieved I fell asleep holding him. It's true! It's the same
Okay, he's
thing!
sympathizing with her.
Yo, the animation's looking crazy.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
His
Yo.
arm. Now he gonna lose his life.
The
Oh, he
animation
didn't know
is
that he was
looking
devil.
crazy. Nah, of course not, because he didn't
I feel like they're gonna
didn't
get in trouble.
go into his devil form yet.
Like,
But his blood does
Like, they gonna come crashing down.
That's
Which is
to
very
be the
interesting.
best
I hope she don't get
ever.
involved. Oh, she got
Damn.
lucky. She literally left that room. If
I
she
think
was
he
in there, she
fell
would have
here,
been
probably.
done. She would have been flattened.
See if there's any like
Run.
collateral damage.
Oh,
Yeah,
She
he
Run.
just
did
might be
fall
like
here
impressed
with
if
Denji.
he could take
Yeah,
him
get
out.
up out of here.
Human lead.
Animation on the
Yeah, get up out of here.
Let her escape. Aren't you meant to be a devil? What you said?
Kill this freaking ugly badass. He's a badass.
Split your guts open and then cut
And then Copperfield. Let's go.
Hey, yo,
Let's
the
go. I'm gonna mess you up and I'm a Copperfield, dude. Yes. Yes, let's go, Denji.
Oh, man.
He did it like.
Oh, this is fire.
Yo, the animation looks crazy.
He said, I think.
Oh,
I'm gonna-
Mappa's really going off this episode.
Don't do it. Okay, Denji, that's a cool line.
too slow in it.
We're definitely gonna get in trouble. Ain't no way we don't get in trouble. Every time we get into fights, we cause destruction. Y'all need to run. Oh my gosh.
Let's go, Denji.
Why do people just sit in shock? Like, get out and
He kicked him
run.
pretty hard
Denji's
too.
gonna split this guy
Not only
open.
does
Run.
Denji has those chainsaws, he seems pretty strong as well.
He's in a target.
Oh my god, dude, why are you in your car chilling? Run!
Falls again, falls a coal at
Oh,
him.
he can remove the chainsaws.
Oh, cool.
In that tiny
It's crazy because he's learning about his ability as well. He can attract him.
Oh fuck! Did he die anyway?
Oh my gosh.
saving.
Dude!
Wow. And he just threw the car with the
Oh
man
my
inside.
gosh! I bet if it was a girl, he would care. Oh my gosh!
Ew, what are you
Oh
doing?
my gosh.
Ooh!
That's so
That was really cool. Yeah.
I'm like, what's he taking out his mouth? Like, oh, that's clean. You use like
No wonder the
sound.
Crunchyroll website broke down. Like, you know, they were having issues.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thankfully, this
Oh
is
man, now you
over.
about to get
Oh, mine up. Denji!
He needs blood.
Not so fast.
It's like a whole here's over the chainsaw.
Denji's getting warmed up, fam.
Hey, but what
That's
Samuel
so
said,
clear.
like the more and more
Yo, his bones are freaking, his fingers are freaking broken too.
Denji Chainsaw Massacre, I think. You'll see about
Yo!
How come I haven't?
That should be the title.
Denji.
That should be the title of this video.
100%, man. 100%. Yo, let's go, Denji. Look at him. Oh my. Yo, I love Denji, man.
Yeah, he's such a dope character.
He's scared.
Remember what they say?
Oh
Get stronger
my
as
God.
He's one of my
as
favorite
the more fears
characters.
you
Like,
are.
he's dope.
What's the
man.
difference if a devil fears you?
Oh, he's just
Yo, my butt is going off this episode.
That boy
Dude. Cut his head off.
I think someone had said something about the audio for this, was it for this anime? About to wear both headphones because something that they're doing the sound. I think it was the Chainsaw
Oh my
Man.
gosh!